Hello everyone, this is Minakshi and today I'm taking the maths and the topic is units of measurement and their conversion. This topic is very useful and important for class 7th, 8th and 9th. Not only for these three classes but it is useful for all the classes, and these units we are using not only in the mathematics but also we are using it in the other subject like physics also. So let's start. So here one chart is given with the different types of quantities and their units are given and which symbols are used for the particular unit and what are the values of that unit and how to convert that values in other units, that is also given here. So let's start with the first quantity, that is length, and the unit of length are of four type. They are millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. The symbol is used for millimeter is small mm, for centimeter cm, for meter small m, and for kilometer km. And the values are 10 millimeter equals to 1 centimeter, 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter, and 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. Notice here these values are related with each other. Again see it, that is 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. Then the next quantity is mass, and the units of mass are of four types. They are milligram, gram, kilogram and ton. The symbol used for milligram is small mg, for gram g, for kilogram kg, and for ton small t. And the values are 1000 milligram equals to 1 gram, 1000 gram is equals to 1 kg, 1000 kg is equals to 1 ton. So these values are also related with each other and their conversion. See, it is 1 ton equals to 1000 kg, 1 kg equals to 1000 gram, then 1 gram equals to 1000 milligram. Then the next quantity is time, and the units are second, minute, hour and day. Then the symbol used for second is small s, for minute min, for hour small h, and day we will write as it is. Any symbol is not given for day. Then their conversion and values are 60 second is equals to 1 minute, 60 minute is equals to 1 hour, and 24 hour equals to 1 day. Then the next quantity is temperature, and only one unit is there for temperature, that is degree Celsius, and symbol is used here degree Celsius. The small circle which is given here, that is called as degree, and for symbol C is used for Celsius. Then the next quantity is area, and the units for area are of four types. They are square millimeter, square centimeter, square meter and hectare. The symbols used for millimeter is millimeter square. Square millimeter means millimeter square. The mm and square, the two which is written here, that is the power. So it is read as millimeter square. Then the square centimeter, symbol used for it is centimeter square, that is cm square. For square meter, that is m square means meter square. For hectare, symbol used as small ha. Then the values and their conversion is given here. 1 centimeter square equals to 100 millimeter square. 1 centimeter square means 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, which is equals to 100 millimeter square. We can say it as 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter. Then 1 meter square equals to 1000 centimeter square, which can be written as 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter also. Then 1 hectare equals to 10,000 meter square. So we can write 10,000 meter square as 100 meter into 100 meter also. Then the next quantity is volume, and the units of volume are three, that is cubic millimeter, cubic centimeter and cubic meter, and the symbol used for it is millimeter cube. Cubic millimeter means symbol is mm cube. This is the power of it and it is given 3, so it is read as millimeter cube. Then for cubic centimeter, that is given cm cube, that is centimeter cube. Then cubic meter means meter cube, and the values for it are 1 centimeter cube equals to 1000 millimeter cube, and 1 meter cube is equals to 10 lakh centimeter cube. Then the next quantity is capacity, and it is given in the bracket volume of fluids. Fluids means liquid. Okay, so the capacity and the units for capacity are millimeter, it is milliliter, liter and kiloliter. Symbol used for milliliter are small l, symbol for liter is L, and the symbol for kiloliter is KL, and their values and conversion is 1000 milliliter equals to 1 liter, 1000 liter is equals to 1 kiloliter. Here they are also related. See here, 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liter, then 1 liter equals to 1000 millimeter. Then the last quantity is speed, and the units of speed are of two types, that is meter per second and kilometer per hour, and the symbol used for them is ms raised to the power -1. It is read as meter per second. And for kilometer per hour, the symbol is given kmh raised to the power -1, but it is, we have to read it as kilometer per hour. So this is how the quantity and their units are given, and what are the symbols we have to use for it, that is also given in the chart, and their values and how to convert that values in the other units, that is also given here. This is very important topic for you everyone, and always remember it. It is not only useful in the school but also it is useful for our daily life. So thank you so much, and if you like this video, so please do like, subscribe and comment to my channel. Thank you so much.